Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge the AC in your Hyundai Elantra. Before starting, always prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Next, locate the low-pressure service port, usually marked with an L cap, on your vehicle's AC line. Make sure your engine is running and the air conditioning system is set to its maximum cooling and highest fan speed. Now, take your AC recharge kit and firmly attach the Quick Connect fitting to the low-pressure service port. You'll hear a click when it's properly seated. Before you begin adding refrigerant, shake the can thoroughly for about 1 minute. It's crucial to hold the can upright during this process to ensure only gaseous refrigerant enters the system, preventing potential damage. With the kit connected, gently press the trigger on the dispenser to start releasing the refrigerant into your AC system. Continuously monitor the pressure gauge on the kit. It will show you the current pressure and indicate the optimal fill range. Add refrigerant in short bursts, checking the gauge frequently, and stop immediately once the needle reaches the recommended green zone. Once the pressure is correct, carefully disconnect the Quick Connect fitting from the low-pressure port. It's a good idea to visually inspect the port area for any signs of leaks. Finally, turn off your engine and enjoy the refreshing, cool air from your newly recharged AC system. You've successfully completed the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.